Huis op daai plaas.
So you knew the place?
Yes. Ja, ek sê ons my pel bly al daar vir 20 jaar. Hey, luister.
Ek luister. So then he told you there's a house available, so you said yes.
I've got 3 friends living there. Ek drive. Sondag maak ons kos saam, ons gee weer in sy huis, braai saam. Staan jy?
Oh, that's nice.
Ja. No, I'm not over myself. Wilna bly so, ek sal sê so kilometer van my af. Miskien minder 800 meter huis. Ek moet die wiper en ek moet dit. Ja, bestuur. Maar jy was ook op die kampai wat ons nog.
That's where we were yesterday.
Ja, ons kon hier naartoe gekom het.
No,
Hoe moet ek daai kant afgedraai?
no, but I prefer Long Beach more. There's more variety. So my cousin's land starts from here. It's up to the road. All these squatter camps all belongs to all my cousin's farms.
Yes.
From here downwards, Anel Valley.
Ek se baie dat hulle nooit hier afgejaag het.
I think his father allowed them to stay because of the apartheid years. His dad gave them permission.
Oh, I see.
And wiper? Wiper?
Okay.
Now the shortcut, I come up here with a shortcut and look at home.
Ja.
I did
Like
it
a
once.
stoppie.
Yeah, it's about like a stoppie.
When I was young, was petrified of moving. Making love was just those days ago.
Oh, like the music.
Living alone,
I like the song.
think of all the friends I've known. When I dial the telephone, nobody's home. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself.
Oh, there's some people. Some guests.
Wanna be all by myself anymore.
Like the coffee and spice.
To be true.